Let's learn about fossils and be paleontologists, finding fossils of dinosaurs. Watch until the end to find out which dino we discover. Let's go! Hello Cubs, it's me, Mr. Albie. Today, let's visit this science museum and learn about paleontologists and fossils for kids. Now, a fossil is something that was left behind by a plant or animal that lived a long time ago, and you can usually see fossils in old rocks. But today, we'll see fossils up close. And fossils can be things like this dinosaur skull. It's a T-Rex skull. Wowza! Or this Triceratops. It can also be old leaf remains or even animal imprints and markings. Now let's go inside the Science Museum together. Come on! Paleontologists love to learn about really old plants and animals like this dinosaur, but they don't exist anymore. So paleontologists need to discover fossils like this Tarbosaurus, which is a relative of the T-Rex, or this Stegosaurus, so they can really learn more about them. Paleontologists will dig big holes in the ground so that they can discover ancient fossil remains. Whoa, look over there! Wowza Cubs! Have a look at this massive Stegodon fossil. Now, paleontologists use fossils like this one so that they can learn more about plants and animals that lived long ago. Those plants and animals don't exist or live on the earth today. So paleontologists need to find fossils like this one so that they can understand how these plants and animals used to live. I bet you're wondering, where is the best place to find fossils? Well, that's a paleontologist's job. They have to look and try and discover the best place to find them. And a good place to look is in sedimentary rock. What is sedimentary rock? Let me show you. Sedimentary rock means when really old rocks and minerals join together over millions of years. And then fossils such as the dinosaur bones, the remains of plants and animals, they get sandwiched like this in between the sedimentary rock. And so the job of a paleontologist is to use tools to dig out those fossils so that they can discover them and learn more about those plants and animals. We're on the outside part of the Science Museum, and now let's learn how do paleontologists decide where to dig. A good place to start is to go to places where you've already found other fossils like this one right here. And you then start walking around, and paleontologists will look at the rocks on their feet trying to find fossils like this one. I've actually got a Dinosaur Excavation Kit, so let's go nearby and excavate out a dinosaur fossil. Paleontologists will often go to dig sites like this where they use tools to dig the earth. I've got my spade right here to use to dig up the ground. We'll dig a bit and try and find our fossil. Let's go. Whoa, what have we got here under these leaves, behind those rocks? Oh, yeah, I've got a slab of earth here. I think there's something inside. Let's go over there and use other paleontologist tools to check what's inside. Now that we've uncovered this block of earth from the ground, paleontologists will then use paleontologist tools and a dinosaur excavation kit to break up the rock to find what's inside. The type of tools that they use include a chisel, which they can use to chip away at the rock. And they'll also use a hammer, so they can hit the chisel and hit the rock so that they can break it up. Paleontologists will often use a brush tool as well, so that they can brush away the dirt and rock and clean up the bones and fossils inside. Paleontologists will also use a measuring tape tool so that they can see how long the fossil pieces are. Let's start finding fossils. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Oh. Wowza! We found some dinosaur fossil pieces right here. Amazing. Let's keep going. Whoa. Oh yeah. Look at this. There's a bone right there sticking out of that slab of rock. Hello. It's like a little hand saying hi. Oh, we gotta get it out of there. Come on, hammer. Oh, it's chiseled right through the rock. Now I can split it open. Just push this side away from it, and sandwiched in between. Oh no. Whoa, it's quite fragile here. We need to use the chisel still. Fascinating! This looks like the ribcage bones of a dinosaur. Let's gently remove the dirt around it so we don't break the fossils. We'll use the brush to sweep away some of the dust and dirt as we assemble it. I've broken up the big slab into all these tiny pieces, but I'm sure there's still one fossil bone left. It's probably in one of these. Let's see in here. No! What about here? Okay, what about this one? Oh, there it is! It's been hiding from us all along! Oh, this bone looks like part of the tail. We'll break it up. We'll use our trusty paleontologist brush to brush it off. And we'll break up the rocks. Oh, look at our collection of fossil bones. These are the dinosaur bones we dug up. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 dinosaur fossil bones! Yeah! Now, as a paleontologist, we've got all these dinosaur bones all laid out for us, but we need to put them together so that we can make a big dinosaur and see how it really looked. Come on, let's put them together. Let's just put in this last piece of this fossil, and wowza! Look at it! Oh yeah! This right here is a Diplodocus! Oh, cuberific! Look at its long neck, its big body and very long tail. The real Diplodocus was 100 meters long, or 30 feet long. Oh, amazing! Let's measure how long this Diplodocus is using our measuring tape. Oh, it's about 29 centimeters long. I'm really proud about this, Cubs. You too can be like a paleontologist and get excited about fossils, and even play with a Dinosaur Excavation Kit. You can do those things right now. See you again soon for our next Cub Wings learning adventure.